The appearance of Rip with his long beard and peculiar dress soon attracted the attention of people. So, appearance means the outer look of Rip with his long beard. So, previously we have seen that the beard of Rip had grown a feet long, and his peculiar type of dress. Rip is wearing a clown type of dress. Okay, soon attracted the attention of the people. So the people were attracted by the queer or odd look of Rip. Rip told them that he meant no harm, but merely came there to look for his friends and folks. So Rip assured them that he would do no harm to them. Rather, he came there to look for or in search of his friends and folks. He asked about Nicholas Vader. So, who was Nicholas Vader? Nicholas Vader was his friend. There was a silence for a little while. That means no one replied to Rip. Then an old man replied, Nicholas Vader, why? He is dead and gone for these 18 years. So, someone replied that Nicholas Vader had died 18 years ago. Rip's heart died away at finding himself thus alone in the world. So Rip was in a distressed, desolate mood. That means he found no one dearest to him. He feels desolate. He cried out, does nobody here know Rip Van Winkle? So Rip was suffering from identity crisis. That means no one knew about him. Okay, Rip feels lonely, desolate. Now, oh, there he is, leaning against the tree, exclaimed two or three. Now, look at the picture. The people were leaning or peeping through the trees. Two or three people were peeping. As he looked, Rip saw a fellow who looked exactly like his previous self. Among them, Rip saw that fellow means a person who looked exactly like him. He understood that this was his son. So, Rip understood that this was his son who exactly looked like him. Just then a young woman with a child came his way. Then came a young woman. He said that Rip Van Winkle had been her father and he had gone away 20 years back when she was a little. So একজন আর একটা কি হলো, ইয়াং মেয়ে এলো একটা বাচ্চাকে নিয়ে এবং সে বলল রিপ ভ্যান উইঙ্কেল তার ফাদার ছিল যে কিনা 20 ইয়ার্স আগে চলে গেছে যখন সে ছোট ছিল. So but we can see that Rip had found his son and daughter. All stood amazed. An old woman looked at his face and exclaimed. So everyone was amazed hearing this. An old woman looked at his face and exclaimed. Then an old woman looked at Rip and exclaimed, sure enough, it is Rip Van Winkle. Welcome home again, old neighbor. So, our old neighbor recognized Rip that he was Rip Van Winkle and also welcomed him. Why, where have you been these 20 years, long years? So, she was also asking where he had been for long 20 years. Soon everybody came to know Rip's story. তারপরে কি হলো দেখো, সবাই রিপের গল্পটা জানতে পারলো. For the whole 20 years had been to him but as one night. So the whole 20 years seemed to Rip only for one night. Some had doubts and insisted that Rip had been out of his head. So, hearing the story of Reef, someone doubted that Reef had lost his memory, Reef had been in a excessive grief, okay, etc. etc. Insisted means emphasize. Even to this day, a thunderstorm on a summer afternoon at Kataskill reminds them of the strange people playing at a game of nine pin. বলছে এখনও যদি কাটাস্কিল হিলে সামারের সিজনে কোনো থান্ডারস্টর্ম হয় তো তখনও তাদের কিন্তু এই ঘটনাটার কথাই মনে পড়ে যে স্ট্রেঞ্জ পিপলরা ওখানে কি করছে নাইন পিন গেমটা খেলছে। সো they always remember the strange incident that occurred with Reef. So we have completed our syllabus of third term.